Me and Shane are doing a video called Noah and Shane versus the robots. Dog. Robots. Dog. The robots. The robots. Noah and Shane versus the evil robot. So today we're gonna keep killing him, right? Don't do that, seriously. Pretend. You're pretending. Okay, so I'm gonna use my magic source power to kill it. Okay? Seriously. So I'm gonna use my magic minions purple source power. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was enough? Uh-oh, it's running away. You gotta get it. Stop. You gotta get it. Shane, gotta help me. Get it? Shane, we gotta get it. I got his escape away plan all covered. This is how he walks. So I got his escape away plan uncovered. Help! Shane, punch him! I'm Noah, and I'm killing you. And now I'm turning into Elf Boy! The most powerful guy in the world. And he can kill anything. Yeah. And it fell. Saying, go get it. That's a girl. Me and Jane are winners. And my nickname for superhero is Mr. Diaper Pants. And what's Shane's? What is it?
Poop the butt.
Yeah, Shane, poop the butt. I'm Super Diaper Pants. And today, we are gonna be doing Kill the Robot Dog. Chapter 2. Kill the Robot Dog. Right, Mr. Robot Dog? But he lost his eye. That's why he's a villain. Okay, I'm gonna mess with you now. Don't kill my dog. Robot, you're already dead. Yeah. I'm using my super source power again. Do I use your power? Your power is also source. Source is when you push stuff.
Let me use the source.
You have to kill a dog.
Look, there he is. The dog winning. There he is.
Uh-oh, but now he's dead. Robot Dog is dead. And we saved the day again. Good job, team. Come on. In the team picture.